All right, so now for a little bit of orientation. We want to see the textbook. So you could just do Fresno City College Bookstore. And that could be the first place you start. And bookstore, Fresno City College, that looks pretty good. And then we have campus bookstore directions, online bookstore, that looks pretty good. Spirit of adventure and exploration. It's not like I sat down before this class and was like, okay, let me make sure I know which page to go to. I don't know! I'm figuring it out right now. Right, store hours, welcome, accepted payment. Well, that's not what I'm looking for. Textbooks, order textbooks, that looks pretty good. Select term, well, spring. And add course, I don't know, oh, spring, there we go. And this class is CIT, and that stands for Computer Information Technology. And then there are the 15s, and it's 35627. 35627. And I'm going to add that, I guess. Spirit of Adventure and Exploration. I could probably add all my classes and then say get course materials. And it's Print Hall, Office 2016 with myitlab. And X blah blah to Evans, Pearson, more info. And pricing disclaimer, Pearson, Evans, 105.30 new. Add to cart, let's see what happens. And then print book list or shopping cart, what's that? Does that tell me anymore? It doesn't tell me anymore. It has an ISBN, which is a unique identifier for books. I could try copying that, and I could go to Amazon, and I could drop that in. You don't want to buy your materials from Amazon. Nothing comes up, which is the way they want it. They don't want people reselling. So that's it. And then if I want to, I could buy it. Cool. Here's the alternative. That's 105.30. Right here, we could go to myitlab. And I click on myitlab. And I'm registered now. I'm a student, right? Like, so this first part here, I did that kind of quick. Register now, need access, start here, student. You need 1, your email address, 2, your instructor's course ID. Looks something like this. And 3, an access code, credit card, or PayPal. And I don't think I put my course IDs in, so it's good we're doing this. Access code, credit card, or PayPal. Okay, register now. And enter your course ID. What would you do at this point? Come back to the syllabus. And do not purchase here, course ID. Let me see if there's anything over here. Announcement, syllabus, assignments, grades, people, pages, chat, online. And I'm just going to look for, here's a little technique. You want to know how to do things better, quicker, navigate, get around. Up here, when I press Command F on my keyboard, a little find window comes up. Last thing I was looking for was pool. You could also get there, instead of the Command F keyboard shortcut, I could just go to Edit, Find, and it tells me that's the keyboard shortcut. On a Mac, that little freeway thing, flower, clover symbol is Command. On Windows, it would be a Control. So I could do Command F and look for course. There's a lot of courses. There's 28 mentions on the page. I'm going to search for ID. ID, there's 14 mentions on the page. I'm going to search for ID with a space. There's 0 mentions on the page. But real quickly, right, I was able to kind of like read this whole page and see if there's something there that had course ID. I'm just kind of looking through, and guess what I forgot to do? So I'm just going to log in and sign in. This is 35627. Course ID. I'm going to edit this one. And right here, and I don't know what makes it red. Spirit of Adventure and Exploration, text color. Red. Awesome. Update syllabus. And then I need to go do that for my other classes. So now that I have that course ID, and let's get the other ones real quickly. This is for 35644. So I'm going to go back here, dashboard. And here's 35644. And then just go to edit. And bring that down and say course ID. Bold, make it red, update it, and come here, and this one is 35751, and Command C is copying that, 35751, and edit, and here is the myitlab course ID. And then we'll go back to our course. And hopefully that signed me out. Let's go back to my IT lab at the beginning. And student. And OK, register now. And so I need that course ID. And copy that. Highlight it. Command C, Control C to copy it. Paste it in. Continue. And now it wants me to sign in or create an account. Let's say I'm going to, and here's the course, right? CIT 15, 2018 Spring, McLeod 35627. So now I'm going to create. I put in an email address and username and password, first security question, and I'd accept the license agreement. So let's just do test@example.com, close, James, Bond, James, Bond, security question, and we'll do 007, and it's wanting here 00, we'll do secret 1234 $, secret 1234 $. The password is invalid, and at least one capital letter. What a pain. And do not use spaces or special characters. They don't want the $. Secret 1234. The username already exists. James Bond 007, 007. Let's see if that works. James Bond 007 UK. Fine. And security question is missing. What town was I born in? What is my count security hint? What is my father's license to kill? And I accept, and I want to help improve. I do not. And now, I'm not going to, not now. Use an access code. If I bought an access code, I'd use that, or use a credit card. My IT Lab for Exploring 2016 with Technology in Action, 14th edition by Evans, $79. That's electronic textbook. So myitlab for exploring 2016 with technology. Exploring 2016 with technology. I'm just looking to see if one of those books happens to be over here. Discovering computers. Technology in action. Evans, technology in action, technology in action. 2016, 11th edition. Here's the 11th edition. We want the 14th edition. Do you know why they give you a new edition every year? Money. You think it's changed that much? In technology, there's some. Technology changes pretty fast. History hasn't changed. But if they make it a new edition and change it around again, then you can't sell your book to the next year's students because it's in the next edition. They need the next edition. Your book's not valid anymore, so the students have to buy the next edition. And who do they buy from? The publisher. So $79, technology in action. You have to buy it here because it comes with myitlab. But this will give you a digital copy of the textbook. So if you like the hard copy, that's going to be either used or $105 at the bookstore. So then you buy that, and you have access to myitlab, and you have access to the textbook if you want to use it. And we'll kind of take a look at what that looks like in the next video. What did we learn in this video? What am I going to call this video? Like buying course materials and myitlab. Is that a good title for this video?